Here. It is July the 3rd, 2012, and happy 4th of July, everybody. Independence Day, I should say. Okay, so here's the Mare Orientale crater again, another weather pattern that fits on the. Okay, this is. I should explain this every video, just in case. Okay, this is a reversed image of Mare Orientale, a crater on the moon. On the side of the moon, we don't see this crater. Okay, it's a multi-ring crater, and I have it reversed, flipped over, and put onto the Earth, overlaid onto the Earth over North America. And this is just one of many overlays that I've got over the Earth, all over the place, of this crater on the moon. And it's hit the Earth. I mean, if this is a real picture of that crater, this crater has hit the Earth a bunch of times. Now just look at the weather patterns. These are live streaming weather patterns that update, I guess, every minute. Okay, you'll see it flash possibly during the time I'm making the video. It's updating, and this crater has been overlaid in this over North America for well over a month, at least 2 months. Okay, so let's just fade the weather out, see how it looks, and we'll just see how it fits into all these little patterns. Like you can see it going up here. I mean, in this line here, see that line? Okay, you see it going in here. Look at this. See how this all fits in that pattern there? Look. It holds to that pattern. There's no way it would do that if the moon didn't hit the Earth. Look, this crater hit the Earth, and the patterns hold to it. I mean, look at this over here. The patterns hold to it. Watch. Here's another one. Okay, this is the western. This is another impact by the same crater. Check it out. Take a look. Same thing. This up here, I almost thought this right here should be a little bit over. I mean, I should have the crater maybe, or this adjusted a little bit over, because you can see this edge of this should be right in there. It looks like. See that? Like this edge right here with that center in it, right, that dimple in the center. It looks like it should be right here, in this little hole right here. But earlier I posted a video. You can see this big storm over the top of that crater there. I mean, this stuff fits in here. Look at this. Look how it holds to the lines and the curves. This is just North America. Let's take a look and see what we can find at any other places here today. The other day I had a really good one of the plateau in Asia. I wish I would have got a video of that one. Alright, so let's see. I got that one right here. Know what's up. And you can see already that the patterns do this everywhere. I have an overlay of the. Look at that. Look at that. The other day I had this, and it was just so beautiful up here. All these curves were all filled in and everything, all perfect, all in the lines. It was just perfect. I mean, it was beautiful. I didn't get a video of it, unfortunately. You see this area. I mean, this goes here. I mean, look, it creates the Himalayas and the plateau. This crater. And I'll show you how it fits over the Earth too. Look at the pattern. You see the whole center of it. Look at it. Fits right in there. And that, like I said, these have been put in place for a long time. These overlays. I just discovered this weather trick the other day, and it blew me away, because every place I check, you'll see. We're gonna go over a couple more. Hold on. All right, I was gonna show you how it fits over the top of this right here. Look. All of this. Oh, hold on a second, I got a call. Okay, so here we go. See how it fits right here. Pretty much every detail in there. It's hard to see. They make it hard to see, but it goes there. Because I had the weather in there the other day. It fits so perfect. I know it goes there. That's how I know it goes there, because the weather patterns the other day were just filling in every line up here. Here, turn it back on, see what we got. Not that much today. Just fills in the circle, which it wasn't doing the other day. So it just shows, you know. Look at it. You can see this curve right here on the moon, right here. This is. I mean, this, like I said, I put this over the Tibetan Plateau in China at least a month ago. You see the curve of the crater, just like it was still there. Look at that. That's not the only one. I got some more. It's not a very good weather day for this one, huh? Okay, let's see what else. About Indonesia or something. Oh man, I hate it when it does that. That's pretty good. Mouse pad here. But you can see still, I mean, it's not a perfect day for weather there, but you can see this where that circle is and how this whole area fits right into place. Right in there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Couldn't have planned that any better. Fits right in. No, it goes there. I mean, look at that. Look at that cloud right here. This cloud right here is the same exact shape, and it just shows, it proves it. You can see this filled in up here, this shape here, and it fills in that little area there. Look at that. Right in there. Same with this little area here. This other stuff's kind of patchy, but you can see it going around this curve up here. Look at that. See that same thing. So that's another one. Let's turn that one off and see what else we got. In Indian Ocean. There's another one. That one's always a little kind of flowing to the right or something. Or to the left. Let's see. You see this curve here. Follows the curve. Got this line right here. There's cloud. This follows that line. Look at this one fitting right in that little area there. Right here, look at this. Watch. Look at that. Perfect stamp right in the cloud. You can see the clouds go right, shape themselves right around that crater. Just proves it. The moon's hit the earth. You know, you can believe what you want. If you want to believe the scientists, go ahead. I mean, I don't expect you to believe me. You don't even know you don't even know me. So, I mean, but until you check for yourself, and the moon's hit the earth. That's all I can say. The moon's hit the earth a bunch of times. Not one time, not even close to one time. Many times, and I've seen so many of them. I can line up so many of them. It's not even funny. Not funny anymore. This is really important. People don't even understand the importance of this, how it changes all geologic history of the Earth. Okay, it absolutely does. And these weather currents or patterns prove it. They prove it. And if you get this picture of this crater, Mare Orientale, which shows that the moon is bigger than they say, which means that they never landed on the moon, and it changes everything, because they say look, they tell us the moon is this size, a certain size. Look at this crater. You take a look at this. This crater is like 2,000 miles across. On the moon, it's like 300 or something, some ridiculous size. Okay, but it has hit the Earth all over the place. And I've showed it a bunch of times, and people better wake up to that, because it changes everything. And if you want to continue, unless you want to continue to be fooled and lied to about everything. I mean, look, the scientists know this. I don't know. There's a lot of reasons why they don't tell you. Resources on the planet, which made them rich. They pretty much got them all already. Because I know I've checked into that too. I know how to find the resources too. But they're already pretty much, every time I find a spot, they're already there. Okay, there's already something there. They've already scraped the whole land, the whole area, just like California, the whole area. You can't. They cleaned out this whole country of everything. Anything worth anything. It's already gone. Most of it. And they know what brought it here. They know what brought that stuff here. They know it. That's why they don't tell you. That's one reason. Another